Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys Lava Mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava Mobile guys call history delete setting. How to delete call history, how to clear call history in Lava Mobile. So friends, you want to delete call history in your Lava Mobile, and friends you want to check Lava Mobile miss call history, all call history. So how to check and how to delete one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Lava Mobile phone call setting. After my phone call setting, friends click here call history setting. So friends, after phone call setting, friends click here call history and you can check your call history. And friends click here three dot, you want to check missed call history. So friends click here call history setting, and friends right side you can check missed call history. Friends, I don't have any missed call history in my Lava Mobile. Friends, you have missed call history in your Lava Mobile. So friends, click here three dot, and friends you want to delete, you want to clear your call history, all call history. Friends, you want to delete in your Lava Mobile, you can delete your missed call history and you can delete your all call history. Okay option, friends, call history will delete. And friends, if you click back button, so friends you can see make a call, you don't have any call history. Friends, click here make a call, and friends if you enter a number, and friends if you call, so friends you can see call history we have again in Lava Mobile. So friends, I will call my chacha, I will call to my chachu, and I will call to my uncle ji. And friends, after call friends you can check three dot, click here, and friends you can check call history again. You have you want to delete. So friends, three dot, clear call history, delete call history. After it friends you cannot check miss call history and all call history. So like that friends, we can delete call history in Lava Mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.